Once upon a time, there lived a kind Princess Snow White.
Mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Every day the mirror answered, your beauty is unmatched, it's true. There's one of all is you.
But one day, the mirror's answer changed.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
Why, it is not right. There's one of all, Snow White. The queen flew into a rage.
May I ask you one time, who's the fairest in the land?
I do not wish to be mean, but there's one of all, Snow White, my queen.
The queen screamed and shouted,
Let's see about that. Where is my hunter?
Yes, my queen, please.
Take Snow White deep into the forest.
The hunter took Snow White deep into the forest. Never be turned, you must never be turned ever again, ever, ever.
But why?
He's jealous because your beauty is not.
She is so rude. Snow White ran farther into the forest, and her huntsman returned to the palace. I am so tired, I must get a rest.
Suddenly, her stumbled upon a tiny little cottage. She peeked inside and saw 7 little beds.
Such small beds! I wonder who lives here. Snow White waited until anybody returned. She was so tired, she fell asleep.
Snow White awoke to see 7 little dwarves surrounding her.
Oh, hello, do you live here? I'm looking for a place to stay. Who are you? Where did you come from? You look tired. Have you been sleeping in my bed? Will you be my friend? Why are you here? Achoo! My name is Snow White. I had to run away from my evil stepmother. You can stay with Snow White. Be safe here. Achoo! You can have my bed. I can sleep anywhere. Oh, thank you. You all are so kind. The queen's hunter returned to the palace.
Did you get rid of her?
You never see Snow White ever again. The next morning, the queen asked her mirror,
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?
I'm afraid my answer won't make you smile. Snow White has been the fairest for a while.
I have to do everything myself.
The queen came up with a sneaky plan. She disguised herself as a little old woman selling apples.
Good.
The 7 dwarves set off for work early that morning.
Knock, knock, anybody home?
Hello, who's there?
Hello, my pretty, will you like an apple?
Oh, I am so very hungry, thank you.
Go on, take a bite.
Snow White bit into the apple, but she didn't know that it had been poisoned. I don't feel so good.
The little old woman turned into Snow White's evil stepmother.
Haha, I will finally be the fairest in the world.
Snow White clapped, and the queen returned to the palace. Later that day, the dwarves returned from work. What is wrong with Snow White? She won't wake up.
That could happen. Can you help her?
This apple must be poisoned by the queen.
Hello, dwarves. Do you need help?
A princeman happened to just be riding by.
Our friend Snow White. She's been poisoned by a poison apple. My doctors are the best in the kingdom. They will know how to help.
Thank you.
The prince set off to get his doctors. They returned to the cottage and used the special potion. Oh my, what happened? I remember is taking a bite of an apple. Your apple was planted by an evil stepmother. Achoo! I won't fall for that again.
I invited Snow White and the dwarves back to my palace for a celebration.
They all